I guess I really don't know what Christmas is all about.
Happy Sunday from Jill and Connor on the couch. Yet again, another day. Yes, oh my God. Lockdown is interesting, that is for sure.
It's tough.
Yeah, it is. But we are just having, honestly, a nice relaxing morning here. We laid in bed for a while. Now we're playing our games. Read a book. Yeah, we have a sort of chill day ahead here. We just ordered some bagels for breakfast, which are gonna be so good. I'm very excited. We might be looking at some apartments today, but that's sort of TBD. So we'll see how that goes. And then, I don't know, I wanna try to do something productive today.
No.
Oh no.
Oh no, 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 no.
Oh my.
Oh.
Wow, that is one of the most disturbing things I've ever seen. He just stomped your skull in.
Yeah,
What is this game? It's ridiculous. I'm gonna go back to my Sims, where it's just Molly Cat hanging around.
It's the Vikings, man.
Okay, our food just arrived. We're very excited. The last time we tried to order bagels, it never showed, which was very rude. So, very happy that my bagel showed up this time.
There you go.
Got an everything bagel, it's gonna be so good. Got an everything bagel toasted with cream cheese. Yum, yes please. Some pickles, a little baby potato salad, and Connor got bagel and lox. Wow, that actually looks fully loaded and delicious. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Love it. All right, we're diving into some more undoing, which is so good, you guys. This is blowing my mind. I'm just loving it. Okay, it is a little while later. Our bagels were delicious. Really hit the spot. And I'm actually off now to go and get a COVID test. I just thought it would be a good idea since we just went back into lockdown a couple days ago, just to, you know, get tested and make sure that I'm all clear entering into lockdown. Connor got one on Friday, but I couldn't get an appointment until today, but he's already came back negative. So I am pretty positive that I will also be negative because I don't know how one of us could have it and the other wouldn't. But we're still gonna go and just, you know, be safe and make sure that we're all clear heading into this next little period here. It is such a beautiful day outside, you guys. Just blue skies, it's quiet, not too many people around. I'm so glad that I got to go out on a little walk here. Just relax, enjoy some fresh air. Look at this, all right. Okay, walking back to Connor's, all done with the test. It was very easy. It's just like the one that you swab a little bit inside of your nose. It's not like the one that goes all the way out, thankfully. I was gonna try to get a little clip, but as soon as I went to pull up my camera, he like said something weird about YouTube. I can't even remember what now. It was something crazy, but I thought, I don't know. It just made me feel uncomfortable about having my camera out. But yeah, walking back to Connor's right now. Okay, back at Conn's, and we're just packing up to walk over to my building. We're gonna take a look at some units there. As we've already said, we really don't think that we're gonna stay in downtown, but my building does have really affordable 2 bedrooms, so it's tempting. And also just easy to take a look at because it's right here. So we figured might as well take a look, get an idea of what they have to offer as we enter more of the touring process and figure out sort of what will be next for us.
Oh man. Oh.
Whoa, nice big bedroom.
It's a nice size for a bedroom.
Yeah, look at this bathroom too.
Oh.
Nice big double sink. Let's check out the closet.
Ooh.
Wow, this is good. Oh my God, I love it.
Look at the size of it.
Right? Love it. Let's look at the other bedroom. Second bedroom.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. This is the second one that we're looking at. I'm guessing this is the second bedroom. Pretty interesting little view there.
So you have a nice hallway kind of dividing the living room.
Yeah. Not sure. Yeah, it's pretty sweet. Look at this. Beautiful finishes. Oh, I love it. This looks literally identical to Tara's kitchen. Marble countertops. The white. Oh, it's soft close too. Oh yeah, that's always nice. Yeah, that's a lot of Target boxes. Oh, there goes Molly Cat. And there are more. I've been collecting them. These are just the ones that arrived over this weekend. But I'm doing a whole haul of all of this in tomorrow's vlog, I believe. So you can wait for that then. Right, Molly? We missed you this weekend so much. Oh, that's my girlfriend. I love you. Alrighty guys, let me tell you what I have in mind for the rest of this evening. I want to clean up my place a little bit. I have some dishes to do. I'm gonna do laundry finally. We're gonna get that going. And I'm thinking ramen for dinner tonight. And other than that, it's gonna be a sit on the couch and play The Sims kind of evening, which I am very much looking forward to. There you go, should be a very eventful rest of my Sunday, clearly. Oh, it was such a good weekend though, very relaxing. So I really can't complain overall. I got beautiful Christmas music playing. Bum, bum, ba-na-na-na. Right, I love this one. Okay, anyway, I was coming to show you the disaster that is my laundry, you guys. I've put this off for way too long. It's gonna be like probably 3 loads of laundry in the end. But I'm just prioritizing comfy clothes because that's all I wear right now anyway. So a load of loungewear coming up. So I think this got cut out of one of the vlogs, but I got a PR package from This Is Us, which was so exciting. You guys may recognize Big 3 if you watch the show. They sent me this giant shirt. I mean, it is huge on me. And I think it says like, yeah, I think it says This Is Us on the back. So cute, really just comfortable to like grout fit in, which I am all about. So yeah, this is what we're rocking for the rest of the night. It's a good look, right? But you could do the job when you're in town. So good. So I was craving something sweet. I actually been craving something sweet all weekend and just never like ended up getting anything. So I decided, why don't I treat myself to a spiked hot chocolate here on this Sunday? Oh my God. Bailey's and chocolate, I don't know if there's a better combo. It's actually ridiculous. That's delicious. All right, I went down a deep, long Sims hole, and now it is dinner time. 8:30, and you know, Sundays are just for ramen. I just feel like every Sunday that's what I'm craving. And so obviously, we have to go for it. The best.
Many ways, Merry Christmas.
Ramen complete and looking good, you guys. I am so excited for this. Perfect Sunday meal. I am so pumped about this ramen here, you guys. Oh my God, it's so hot though. I need to let it cool down a little bit, but maybe a bite of zucchini. I added in the miso paste this time and it made it so freaking good. The miso paste makes such a difference. Oh my God, you can see all the steam coming off of this because it's super hot. Hi, Molly Cat. Come here, I feel like you've barely been in the vlog. Come up here. Okay, I'll bring you up then, since you won't come up on your own. Hi, say hi to the vlog. That's a good girl, Molly. Yes, I love you. Yeah, go ahead down. Yeah. Oh, I love snuggling with you. You happy that Mom's home? I am so happy to be home with you, Molly. Molly, I'm so excited for this food too. We're gonna eat so good. We're gonna eat so good. Yeah. And I think tonight we're diving into, you guessed it, Friday Night Lights. We're still working our way through that last season. We must be getting close though. Guys, I'm being very responsible doing my skincare before bed. I got my hair all braided up, although this time was a struggle this time. I don't know why. But anyway, just came on here to pat myself on the back for doing, you know, a very basic thing, which is just simply doing skincare before bed. Alright, we did it. Think this will ever go away? This is gonna be our friend for all of Vlogmas. Oh yeah. Well, you guys, that is it for today's Vlogmas. It is 10:45 p.m. and the weekend is over. It was a very good weekend though. It was super relaxing. We really just chilled for a long ass time. So can't complain too much about that. Does not mean I'm ready for Monday though. Never ready for Monday. Alrighty, you guys. Thank you for following along with me here today. I really appreciate it. I hope you guys are enjoying Vlogmas so far. We're almost a weekend, which is so exciting. So I don't know. I hope that you guys are having a good time watching this so far because I'm having a fun time doing it. I will see you tomorrow for another Vlogmas episode.
Isn't there anyone who knows what Christmas is all about?